Hero has launched the Xtreme 160R 100 million edition in the Indian market. The new special edition version of the Hero Xtreme 160R motorcycle is offered with a price tag of Rs 1.08 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The special Hero Xtreme 160R 100 million edition model comes with a dual-tone paint scheme of red and white. This special paint scheme is offered only on the 100 million edition models, with the red being seen on the headlight mask, fuel tank and rear body panels. The special edition version has been introduced to celebrate Hero MotoCorp achieving a landmark milestone of completing 100 million production units since the start. Apart from the Xtreme 160R, Hero will also be offering 5 other products in the special 100 million edition color scheme. Apart from the special paint scheme, no other changes have been made to the Hero Xtreme 160R. The motorcycle continues to carry forward the same list of features, equipment and mechanical components. Some of the features on the Hero Xtreme 160R 100 million edition include LED lighting all around, headlamp, tail light and DRLs, a fully digital instrument cluster, auto sail functionality, side stand engine cut-off and a hazard switch, to name a few. The 100 million edition carries forward the same 163cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It produces 15 bhp at 8500 rpm and 14 Nm of peak torque at 6500 rpm and is paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The motorcycle is lightweight, tipping the scale at just 139.5 kg. The seat height is also less at 790 mm, while the Xtreme 160R comes with a 12-liter fuel tank capacity. Honda Motorcycle and Scooters India has launched their new CB500X adventure tourer in the Indian market. The new Honda CB500X is offered with a price tag of Rs 6.87 lakh ex-showroom Gurgaon. The new Honda CB500X will be sold in India via the brand's exclusive Big Wing and Big Wing top-line dealerships across the country. The Honda CB500X will be imported in the country as a CKD, completely knocked down unit. Bookings for the new CB500X has begun across all the premium dealerships, with deliveries for the motorcycles set to start soon. The new Honda CB500X is set to borrow design cues from the brand's flagship Africa Twin. This includes an all-LED lighting all around, alloy wheels, LCD instrument cluster and a single-piece saddle. The motorcycle also features dual-channel ABS, emergency stop signal and Honda's ignition security system. The Honda CB500X is powered by a 471cc 8-valve liquid-cooled parallel twin-cylinder engine. It produces 47 bhp at 8500 rpm and 43.2 Nm of peak torque of 6500 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch mechanism as standard. The all-new Honda CB500X will be offered with a choice of 2 color options, Grand Prix Red and Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic. The Honda CB500X is the brand's latest adventure tourer offering in the mid-size segment. The new CB500X rivals the likes of the Kawasaki Versys 650, Suzuki V-Storm 650 XT and the Benelli TRK 502X. Jeep has launched its popular Wrangler SUV in the Indian market. The new 2021 Jeep Wrangler is now imported into the country via the CKD, completely knocked down route, and is locally assembled at the brand's facility in the country. The new locally assembled Jeep Wrangler SUV is now offered with a starting price of Rs 53.90 lakh. The SUV continues to be offered in the same 2 trim levels as before, Unlimited and Rubicon. The range-topping Wrangler Rubicon now retails at Rs 57.90 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom. This translates to a price reduction of over Rs 10 lakh compared to the full import models introduced in India last August. Jeep has also announced that while bookings for the locally assembled Wrangler had already begun, deliveries for the off-roader will begin immediately. The locally assembled Jeep Wrangler remains mostly identical to the full import version from last year. The off-roader carries forward the same design, exterior features and interior equipment as before. The SUV also continues to be powered by the same petrol engine as its CBU version. Talking about the design and features, the made in India Jeep Wrangler carries forward the same styling. The SUV features circular LED headlamps flanking the signature 7-slat grille, fender-mounted side indicators, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED tail lights and a tailgate-mounted spare wheel. Jeep continues to offer the Wrangler with the option of completely removing the doors and the roof from the SUV as well. Inside as well, the locally assembled SUV carries forward a host of features and equipment. This includes an 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, It also features the brand's Uconnect technology. Other features on the inside also include push button, start stop, premium leather upholstery, dual zone climate control, passive keyless entry, 7-inch color MID on the instrument cluster, and many more. The new made in India Jeep Wrangler also comes packed with a host of safety equipment. This includes electronic stability control, hill start and descent control, automatic headlamps, electronic roll mitigation, TPMS, rear parking sensors, and camera and front and side airbags, among others. Finally, the locally assembled Jeep Wrangler will be offered with a choice of 5 color options: Firecracker Red, Black, Stingray, Granite Crystal, and Bright White.